So up dudes, Dave's Basket back with another unboxing. Today we've got ourselves the Sony Xperia L1. So it's your entry model. This is going to be one of the budget phones. So one of the second real budget phone reviews I'll be doing, or unboxings. This one over in the UK, get it for about £130 at the moment. So yeah, to be fair, I was just looking for a spare phone to use for desperate times. If ever my main driver is down, which right now I've got to send the Pixel XL off for repair. An issue with possibly with the DAC or the mic for phone calls. So I thought to myself, let's go and pick up something to use in the meantime, because they usually got about a 10 working day turnaround. So looking online, it was either this or the Motorola E4 Plus, which is one of my highly anticipated budget phones. You're looking at about $140 directly from Motorola website, and they do student discount, so you'll probably get it around the same sort of price as this, to be fair. And it's fantastic. Dual SIM, 5,000 milliamp hour battery. You know, it'll get the job done. Close to stock Android, decent camera, decent specs, fast charging. I believe it has NFC, or it might be one of the things it doesn't include. But my boy got it recently and mentioned something about the GPS. Like, although it's got GPS built in, some of those phones, what happens is, while you're driving, for example, it doesn't actually follow you, so it will give you directions, but I don't think it actually has the capability of following you while you're using the GPS. Anyway, that being said, I really love the Sony designs. Build quality is fantastic. I always really wanted a Sony. Back in the day, before I went for the iPhone 6s Plus, I was going to go for a Sony Xperia Z5 Premium 4K display. I heard some people having some issues with heating. Anyway, rambling off. This is a device. It's plastic. It's a very decent size. Very, very decent size right out of the bat. I like how that feels in the hand. It's 5.5-inch display, so we're not losing any real estate in comparison to the Pixel XL. Sony always get it right with the camera most of the time. We're running this isn't running a Snapdragon processor, so I'm not expecting any lightning speeds here, but to get the job done, it should be okay. I like how it feels, NFC included. Like I said, the best thing about this design at this price point is the build quality. For me, I really like it. And Sony know how to get it right with their build and design. USB-C was another selling factor, and the fact that it's got Wi-Fi for 5 gigahertz connections as well, and apparently it's dual SIM. Now, I'm not 100% sure of that, and in actual fact, the picture on the back shows, in fact, one SIM slot and one micro SD, which is fine. Micro SD expansion up to 256 gigs, fantastic. It only comes with a 16 gig internal, and 6 gigs of that is actually taken up by the OS, so you're gonna probably experience some lag right out of the bat. Now, I got this particular model from Argos over here in the UK, and even on their website it shows a picture of the device showing like SIM 1 and SIM 2. You'll see that in the photo of the product that you're buying, but obviously the sticker on the back suggests otherwise. So we'll see if it is indeed dual SIM. If it is, that's going to be a huge major win for me. Let's just go ahead and check that out right now. I highly doubt it. It doesn't look like it is, and I'm okay with that. You know, I'm not going to expect a miracle. If it's not dual SIM, fine. But I do believe this comes in a dual SIM version. So if you can pick that up, hats off to you. You're winning. But yeah, just here it says it actually you're not going to be able to see, but there's little imprints here that says SIM 1 and then SD. So it doesn't look like we're going to be getting a dual SIM here, and but I'm okay with that. Like I said, I really do love the design. This phone feels solid. I'd love to power it up if it's got any juice. Try and get it set up and good to go. But another selling point of this particular device was Sony's notorious DACs built into their devices. So I'm a huge You know, I'm a huge one for playing music on my phone. Not only because I've got quite good headphones, like I'm currently using the Bose QC35s. They're cool. I am going to start jumping into more of the higher end audio soon. I'd like to try and get like a external DAC for the PC and try some open back headphones. I might go down with an Audio Technica or some or whatever the other higher brands are out there, and see what that's like. But yeah, I play a lot of music in the car. In the car we've got a sub, so to have a high quality DAC in the phone, to push that through the inclusion, might I add, of a 3.5mm head jack is going to be quite interesting. That's something that I do look for in my phones. In actual fact, it's a deciding factor. When I was going for like the OnePlus or Google Pixel, the DAC is usually something that I'll spend some time researching to find out how that goes. Now, I've seen some other people set this up in their reviews, and it took 5, maybe 6 minutes to turn on, but I've turned that on. It's good to go. It's got 55% in there. It does show NFC, so you will get your Android payments as well. And it's only showing one SIM, so indeed this is only a single SIM device. So I'll go ahead and try and get it set up. I'll use it for a while, let you guys know how it goes. So far, I'll be honest, it feels snappy enough. It's not really an experience that you're going to get some serious lag. Although it's only got 2 gigabytes of RAM and a 2650 milliamp hour battery, people said it does get you through the day. So, you know, I'm not expecting miracles here, like I said, but at £130, I'm going to be happy. Anyway, guys, I'll wrap it up for the quick unboxing. Well, before, let's actually continue this. I apologise. I do have a tendency to go on. But what else do we get in the box? Your basic manuals. Comes with a 2-year Sony warranty. Another advantage there. It comes with the charging plug. Now, usually these things are like 5 volts. This doesn't have quick charge capabilities, although it is USB-C. I'm going to assume it's 5 volts, and yeah, it's 5 volts. And you get your USB-C cable as well, and that is it. So nothing else in the box. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll catch you in the next one.